Hey, what's going on guys? Brian here. Today's video will be a quick tutorial on how to move sprite nodes around using just your finger. Alright, so yeah, let's get started. I already created a blank Xcode project. You should do the same thing right now. Just pause the video. First thing I'm going to do is go to game scene.swift. I'm going to delete everything in here because I do not need any of this. Neither of this either. Alright. I'm going to create a single sprite node. I'm going to call this player equal to sk sprite node. And then did move to view, I'm going to set this player up. Say player equal to sk sprite node. Color, I'm going to set to be a cyan color. You choose whatever color you want. I'm going to set the size to be 90 by 90. And set player dot, what am I going to set? Position? Yeah, set position. Position will be 0 and 0. But I'm going to first, I should have done before, is set up the anchor point. I like doing this when I create games. Set the anchor point of the scene to be 0.5, 0.5. That way, 0, 0 is right in the middle of the screen. Okay? And then we'll do the same thing for the player so that it matches up. 0.5, 0.5. And that's about it. I'm going to add the player. Alright. So I'm going to run it to show you what it looks like. I'm pretty sure you guys can tell what it's going to look like. It's just a cyan color square right in the middle of the screen. But yeah. Alright, here. This is what it looks like. Blank. Like I said before, there's a regular square, cyan color. But when I try to move around with my finger or my mouse, it's not working. So let's get that moving right now. We're going to type out a function called touches moved, and here we're going to say for touch in touches. Alright, touch refers to every single touch in a bunch of touches, which is right here. Alright, and then we're going to get the location of that touch. So let's say let location equal to touch dot location in node self. What that means is it's going to get the location of the node where your finger is. So let's say you put your finger on the screen, like in the top right, then that location is going to be stored into this constant right here. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to say player dot position dot x equals to location dot x. I'm going to say player dot position dot y equals to location dot y. Now I'm going to set up a print statements for both sections to show you before and after. I'm going to say x to be player dot position dot x, and the y to be player dot position dot y. I'm going to copy this directly over right below this right here. I'm going to run it again. So now it loaded, right? I'm just going to put this right here, that's fine. So I have this right here. The print statement worked, so it's printing out 0, 0, which we set position up, so it'd be 0, 0. Now, when we move this around, this is going to change because we add another print statement. So every time the square moves or our finger moves and the player moves as well, this print statement is going to execute. So watch what happens. So now it's printing all the positions of the square. So if I let go, this is where the square is located right now. But if I move it again, it's all changing right now. That's to let you know that it's actually working, that the square is actually moving around with your finger. Or in my case, I'm using my mouse. That pretty much wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick tutorial. And yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.